Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from VeGue. This is the VM50 condenser microphone, and you can check this out on Amazon at the time of this review for $59, and they also have a 15% off coupon on Amazon at the time of the review. You'll have that link in the description below where you can check it out as usual. Now this comes in right around that $50 price point, and this is probably one of the best well-built and well-sounding USB condenser microphones that I've tried in the budget market. So we're going to unbox this, and then we're going to do a test between this and my blue Snowball that I've been using for voiceovers for probably the last 2 years, so that you can get an idea of the quality. Okay, so let's talk about everything that you get. Once you get everything out of the box, you're going to get a connection cable, obviously the main unit itself, and then you're going to get an instruction manual for the VM50. It is a condenser microphone. It is a cardioid polar pattern. It does a sampling rate of 96 kilohertz, and it has a frequency response of 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Sensitivity is 40 dB, plus or minus 3 decibels, and that is pretty much what you see on the screen here. I'm going to leave this up. If you guys want to come back and check out anything that I might have missed, you can come back to this point in the video and you can hit pause and read it for yourself. Hold on to it. It's in multi-languages and it is well laid out. Now, as far as the charging cable goes, or the connection cable I should say, it's a USB Type-C to a USB Type-C or USB Type A. So if you don't have a USB Type-C port readily available on your laptop or PC, you can use a regular USB connector, and obviously this one will go to the bottom of the unit. So let's take a look at the unit itself, and I'm actually really impressed with the build quality that VeGue has put together here. This is an all metal design. The pop filter, everything is metal. So you're going to get a fully metal design here. You're not going to have to worry about any plastic pieces or anything cheap. The shock mount is metal. The plate is metal. Everything is metal on this. So awesome. Definite thumbs up on build quality on this. You can see that overall it's a very, very nice, solid build quality on this, especially for a $50 price point. Now, of course, you have an adjustable angle here, so you can angle this up towards your face wherever you would need to have this. And then on the front, you've got a couple of controls as well, which is really nice, is your gain control. And you've got it right here in a kind of a dual purpose knob here. You can adjust the gain, and you can also press it in to mute the microphone, which is an awesome extra that I don't have on my blue Snowball, that by the way I'm using to do the voiceover right now. So as we start to go here, you'll be able to hear the test in just a few seconds. Now you've got your plug-in for your USB Type-C, and you also have a monitor plug-in, so you have low latency or almost no latency monitoring with a set of headphones. So 3.5 millimeter jack there. Let's get this hooked up, show you what's going on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I've got this hooked up, and you can see that we've got that audio gain knob. We also have the VeGue logo here, or the VM50 logo in white, and I can adjust my gain. Also, when I press it in, I can turn it red, which means that it's muted. Now that's something I don't have on my blue Snowball, so it's really nice to have a one push button mute function on a microphone, just in case you want to mute it really quickly. So another awesome added extra here, again at that $50 price point. Another one that you don't normally see, that I did mention before, but you do get with this, is that 3.5 millimeter audio jack for low to no latency monitoring via a headset. So that is also a welcome added bonus that you're getting on something over the blue Snowball, which doesn't have either of those. So now let's do a setup here where we go back and forth between the blue Snowball and the VeGue, and you guys will be able to hear the sound quality. Okay, so this is the VeGue VM50 microphone test. This will give you guys a great idea of what your voice will sound like. It's exactly the same distance away as my blue Snowball that I use and have used for the last 2 years for voiceovers for my YouTube content. So this is the VeGue VM50 microphone, and now we'll go to the blue Snowball. Okay, so now we're back to the blue Snowball, so this will give you a kind of side-by-side comparison of what these two microphones sound like. And again, I have them exactly the same distance away from my head, right next to each other. The gain on the VeGue VM50 is set to 50%, and the blue Snowball is set pretty much how it's been set for me for the last 2 years. So as you can see, this is what I sound like with the blue Snowball, and you already heard the VeGue VM50, and I'm quite impressed with the VM50's performance. Okay, so that's my review of the VeGue VM50 USB condenser microphone. A lot of things to like about this, starting with price point. At that $50 or so price point, I'm putting this at the top of my list of $50 USB condenser microphones for 2022 already. The all-metal construction that you get with this is very good, including the shock mount, the pop filter, everything all in metal. And the added extras that I get with the VM50 over my blue Snowball, such as gain control, muting, and of course the 3.5mm headphone jack for no latency monitoring, makes me think that I'm probably moving forward going to retire my old blue Snowball for the VM50. Thanks again for watching. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. There'll be a link to this microphone in the description below, and it will support the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.